how to know the strength
Ukwazana njani namandla
of your dream,
amaphupho wakho,
the strength
amandla
of your vision.
umbono wakho.
Sometimes you might never discover that strength
Esinye isikhathi ngenzeka ungawatholi lawo
as
mandla.
long as you keep people
Nethi nje mawusagcine
who are
abantu
not called to be part of your vision,
abangabizwanga ukuthi babe yingcenye yombono wakho.
who are not called to be part of.
Ababizwanga
God
ukuthi babe
speaks to
yingcenye yombono
Abraham.
wakho.
He said, "Come out of your father's house."
Uthi phuma endlini kababakho.
He says, even go away from your relatives.
Uthi suka futhi nasezihlobeni zakho.
Now, we hear that Lot follows Abraham.
Sizwa uLot bathi ulandele uAbraham.
But God did not speak to Lot.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu azange
God
akhulume
spoke to
noLot.
Abraham.
uNkulunkulu ukhulume
The one who
noAbraham.
carried the vision was
Lo
Abraham.
bekaphethe umbono uAbraham.
So, meaning it was all invested in
Kusho
Abraham.
ukuthi konke bekufakwe kuAbraham.
It was all invested in
Bekufakwe
Abraham.
kuAbraham konke.
The moment you take what God said you must not take,
Lesikhathi uthatha lokho uNkulunkulu athe ungakuthathi.
you are not guaranteed to reach the future.
Awunasiqiniseko sokuthi uzofika ekusaseni.
You can have a vision
Ungaba nombono
that does not have strength.
onganawo amandla.
You can have a goal
Ungaba
that does
nombono
not have strength.
onganamandla.
How do you know that what you carries strength?
Wazi kanjani ukuthi lokho kuphethe kuphethe
It
amandla.
survives challenges.
Uyasinda eyingcinambeni.
That is the kind of salt
Yilo hlobo losawoti
that carries taste.
eliphethe ukunambitha.
It does not go under the feet.
Alihambi ngaphasi
It must be tasted by people.
Kodwa fanele linambithe
Meaning
ngabantu.
everything you do,
Ukusho ukuthi yonke
as
into
long
oyenzayo.
as God is involved,
Nethi nje uNkulunkulu
it will
mayekhona
never
lapho,
lack taste.
angeke kuze kushoda
It will
ngokunambitha.
never lack taste.
Angeke kuze kube muncu.
People will meet with you and see,
Abantu bazohlangana nawo babone
this thing has got taste.
ukuthi lento
We've
leni
never seen such a thing.
Asikase siyibone into kanje.
But taking what is wrong
Kodwa ukuthatha lokho okungalunganga
or putting people who are not part of your goal or your
noma
vision,
ukufaka abantu abangekho engcenyeni yombono wakho
they finish the taste.
baqeda
They
ukunambitha
finish?
baqeda ubumnandi balento leyo.
You can end up moving with people,
Ungagcina uhamba
but
nabantu
you are busy losing taste.
kodwa soloko wena ulahlekelwa
You are losing
ukunambitha.
Taste.
Ulahlekelwa ukunambitha.
What you need
Okudingayo
is to keep what God said to you
ukuthi ugcine lokho uNkulunkulu
and
akushiye
never depend on people.
futhi ungancike ebantwini.
Hold on to what God has spoken to you.
Bambelela kuloko uNkulunkulu akukhulumile kuwe.
Joseph had a dream.
uJoseph wanephupho.
The dream was challenged.
Lephupho laphonsela inselelo.
The pit,
Umgodi,
Potiphar's wife,
indlela
jail. But Joseph held on to one thing.
kodwa uJoseph wabambela into
I
eyodwa.
dreamed this dream.
Ukuthi ngiliphuphile
I
le.
dreamt this dream. So the strength of the dream
Amandla walelo phupho
is what pushed him
yiloko bowumisa phambili.
to fulfillment. It pushed him to the future of the dream.
Kwamgcugcuzelela ukuthi aye ekusaseni
To
kwalelo
the
phupho.
future of the dream.
Aye ekusaseni lalelo phupho.
Many people, they do get beautiful dreams.
Abantu abaningi bayawaphupha amaphupho amahle.
Dreaming themselves rich,
Baziphupha abacebile.
dreaming themselves having beautiful cars,
Baziphupha banezimoto ezinhle.
but they never achieve it.
Kodwa abakuzuzi lokho abakutholi.
If God shows you something,
uNkulunkulu akhombisa
it
into
means
ethile.
there's a journey that has begun.
Kusho ukuthi kunohambo soliqalile.
And every journey requires
Lonke uhambo
a
lifuna
specific obedience or dedication.
ukulalela okuqondene naloko noma ukuzinikela
It
okuqondene
requires
nalokho.
obedience and
Kufuna
dedication,
ukulalela futhi
commitment.
ukuzinikela, uzinikele uzibophezele.
You can dream something and be committed to your dream.
Ungaphupha into bese kuyazibophezela iphupho.
That's how you'll reach the future of the dream.
Indlela ofinyelela ngayo kusaseni lalelo phupho.
Imagine Abraham in his father's house,
Abraham esendlini kababa
age 75.
semdala ana 75.
God comes to him.
uNkulunkulu uza
Come out of your father's house.
usiphuma endlini
I'm
kababa.
about to make you. You are not going to be
Ngizokwenza.
made by your father. I'm about to
Angeke uyenziwe
make
babakho,
you.
kodwa mina ngizokwenza.
Not your father. He says, I'm about to make you.
Uthi ngizokwenza.
Many people miss that opportunity.
Abantu abaningi
When
balahlekelele
God
yilelo.
makes you,
uNkulunkulu mayekwenza
no storm can take you.
akunasivunguvungu esingakuthatha.
When God makes you,
uNkulunkulu
no
mayekwenza
challenge can be stronger than
akunangcinambe engaba
the
namandla
strength of your sword.
dlula
the
amandla
quality of your
wesawoti
sword.
wakho, amandla wesawoti wakho.
Nothing can challenge that.
Ayikho into engaphonsela lokho.
You will journey with God.
uzohamba noNkulunkulu.
Challenges will come.
Ingcinamba
Testings will
zizoza,
come.
ivivinyo zizoza.
But as long as you say, I had a dream.
Kodwa nje wena mawuthi ngibe
I had a
nephupho.
dream.
Ngibe nephupho.
You get it? I had a
Ngibe
dream.
nephupho.
So Joseph is challenged.
uJoseph uphonsela inselelo.
He's going through all these things.
Udlula
But he
kuzo
remembered
zonke
one thing. No,
Kodwa
man,
ukhumbula into
ngiphuphile, man. Ngiphuphile. Into that my brother's sheaves bowing to my sheaves.
ubhuti bami ngikhothamile.
And it was not yet happening.
Ngisengayenzi.
Bekuyiphupho. But at the end, on the future,
Kodwa ekugcineni
babawa
kusasela.
vele. Makavula inhloko athi mabathi uJoseph ubhuti wethu lo. The same person esimthengisile. Now uyasiwondla namuhla. Come on. The strength of his vision. The same person esimthengisile nangu uyasiwondla namuhla. Situfile kanti didn't die. The dream. The dream. If you dream the future, you are not ready to die before you reach there. People die when they dream the past. If you dream yourself going backward, you are not guaranteed whether you live long. It means you are going to die without reaching anywhere. You must understand amaphupha engozi ne? If uhlala uziphupha wena use into zasemuva and uya phambili, you are not even sure how long will you live. Because uphupha in backwards. Awuphuphi uya phambili, uphupha uya means you are going to die. You are not going to reach the future. But the moment you dream something that is not happening currently, something that you don't have currently, but you dream the future, you know I've got a journey. If challenges come, no, because you showed me something. I can't die now. Ngiphuphe into engayenzekanga in my past, ngiphuphe into engayenzeki manje. Ungikhombe in the future. Now you are able to say, Lord, let my salt have taste. Let my salt have taste. Let my salt have quality.